Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a toddy like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's like your birthday.
With an emo girl, I fell in love with an emo girl. All I want is
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know, but if you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it, if you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know, clap your motherfucking hands.
I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it.
I am the sugar sweetie pie.
take a two.
Someone I'm a doom, I'm a you assume I'm a human, but I gotta do to get it through to you. I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber, so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me into the movie. You were devastating, more than ever demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a
Down, just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
Why you